Following my time exploring the Socha Valley, I decided to hike around the Tolmin Gorge. The word gorge hardly does justice to the sheer beauty of this place. The hot water spring, the Bearhead and the Devil Bridge were among the highlights. The Bearhead in particular caught my eye. It was a natural bridge with an abundance of growing and blooming vegetation, creating an enchanting atmosphere that left me feeling as though I had been transported to another world. As the day drew to a close, I sat by the fire and pondered the meaning of life on this beautiful earth.